good, everybody? Whole world. Good morning, KinFX. What's goody? What's goody? Hope you guys are doing good. Having a good day. Good morning so far. Gold looking like it wants to continue up. Took a position here. Closed partials up top. Rest got stopped at break even, but I think gold wants to continue pushing. Got about 10 pips out of that move. 30-minute celery. Closed partials right here. Ooh, 60 pips up in gold right now. Nice. You must be in down here. Beautiful. Looks like gold wants to continue up. We got the daily high coming in hot here. We broke the low though. That was my only thing. Good morning, Anthony. Got another orange. I got another orange Celsius going on here. Which one? This one. Yeah, there you go. So it's pretty good for the morning. Cheers, boys. So yeah, I got into a early position here. Got about 10 pips, closed partials. Some people are still in. My B got hit, so. Oh, what do we got going on here today? You guys trading Asian session, London session? Anyone catch it? Oh, you know, was this gold? Yeah, I was stalking this last night. I was looking to take this entry here, but well, obviously I wanted this, but no top wick, no bottom wick. This was the only candle that I seen, but I wasn't looking and paying attention to it at the moment it made the move. So nice, gold sells, beautiful. Beautiful. Nice Asian session action. Ooh, beautiful. Perfect. Nice, good work, guys. Asian and London looks like it worked out well. Oh wow, this is a compliment for me. To be associated with Mr. Donvo. W. Best in the game right now. I'm gonna continue to stay on top. Oh wow. Appreciate that, Red FX. Man, just to be in a conversation with guys like Controller FX and Raja and them. W. Nice. Sweet. Looks pretty good. Looks like, oh, Bowser. Okay. Oh, nice. There it is. There's the move. Pound yen. $60 pips. Oh, 60 pips in gold for KinFX. Nice. 3 a.m. stream starting tomorrow. Perfect. Good job, guys. Good work. Good work. Yeah, gold looks like it wants to continue pushing up here. So we have closed above this resistance, right? I mean the support here. So that's pretty clean. 1 hour candle never broke the low. It came down. It flipped bearish a little bit. Now it's flipping back to bullish. And once it gets through this area here, right here, it should be good. So cool. Let me set up Zoom here and share screen. Share screen. Oh yeah, nice. Close bullish above the range. It's probably gonna want to make a bottom wick here. Share screen. Did I do that? Yeah. All right. Y'all ready? Y'all good? Everyone good? You ready for a quick top-down analysis here on gold and GJ? Let me just send this link. All right, let's do it. Let's get rid of all drawings here. So let's take a look. Let's talk about it. All right, so weekly time frame here is pushing up pretty nice. What's today? Thursday. So today's Thursday. We're looking to get a closure above this level here, man. If we can get a close above this resistance, price should have no problem coming and retesting 2070 here. And we could do that this week too, because we have NFP coming in. We have unemployment claims today. There's a shot that this weekly candle by Friday will fill that wick. Push up something like this, and if not, close something like this, and then next week can continue up here on gold. Right? It only makes sense. It only makes sense. If you look around the world, it only makes sense for gold to continue pushing up right now. So weekly time frame, again, we're at this resistance. You have this area up here, which is our all-time high closure. So yeah, if price can close above there by the end of the week, man, we're gonna see some new numbers here on gold. We're gonna start seeing some new numbers. So let's take a look at the daily. Daily closed doji yesterday. So we had a doji close yesterday. One thing we can say though is we have officially closed above this this resistance right here. This is the one that's been giving us the problem, or giving gold a problem, not us, giving gold a problem. You see right here these rejections. So we finally closed above that yesterday. And now we close, what was that, Tuesday, and now yesterday we closed doji here. So pretty bullish. We did break the low here, so that's pretty interesting. It looks like we are flipping now to break this daily high. So if we break the daily high here, which it looks like we're about to, then you know, we could potentially either continue up to fill this wick here today, or just make a top wick and then come back down after breaking the lows. So we can't really tell that by looking at the daily time frame right now, right? So we got to scale down to these lower time frames and see what we got going on. We could say that we've pushed up, right? We've come down now. We've created a support here on the 4-hour time frame. We've just broken the 4-hour high here, and now price is pretty clean, man, pretty clean up into these ranges up here. If you do get more hourly closes above the ranges, then you shouldn't have a problem retesting this resistance here today. So there's a bit of traffic here on the 1-hour time frame that we probably just need to break through. Let's take a look at what that looks like right here. All right, so if we can kind of break through this, I believe price should continue on up. If you notice, we're making beautiful higher highs and lower highs, right? If we look at these candles, starting at the support, you have a high, you have a low, you have a high, you have a low, new high, new low, new high, and now this candle doesn't have a bottom wick on it yet. It could come down and make a bottom wick, but as of right now, it just broke the high. So you do have this area here you're coming into. I think as long as we get a bullish close above that, price should be good to continue on up here for a while today. So that's the hourly time frame. Here was my thoughts from earlier, right? You had this resistance right here, price closed above, this candle came down in the beginning of the hour, made a bottom wick, and then on the second 30-minute candle, which was this candle, that's where I took an entry. So entry was based off of this 30-minute celery 1-hour breakout, and yeah, we were coming into this area here, so I decided to close partials, and then runner got stopped here at break even, but looks like prices may continue on up. So but we are coming close to 7:30 pre-NY New York open, so probably just gonna wait it out here for now, and gonna have a resistance right here. So if we can close above there, then we're pretty clean to continue on up here today. And then supports, let's take a look. Based off the 30-minute, I would just say this, or based off the 1-hour, I would say that this is probably the strongest support on the chart right now. This one right here. So you are running into this area off of the 30-minute time frame, this resistance. So I think if we get a closure above, we could look to get some more positions here, and we could trade this range here. But we want to see this candle here close above. This is the new 1-hour candle. So I'm assuming it may come down to, create some sort of a bottom wick. And then if we can close above here for 8 a.m., then we should be good to continue pushing. So that's that 30-minute time frame. I think we could look. Yeah, 30 is a little choppy. I think we could look for sells below here still, because we did break the lows on the daily. So we can be just coming up to create a top wick, and then flip bearish again and re-break the lows. So it's a little tricky based off the daily time frame. We're gonna have to stick with these lower time frames here today, and manage our analysis and manage our positions accordingly to the lower time frame. So yeah, so that's gonna be the day here on gold. We'll wait for a 30-minute close above this range here at this point, and anything below here is pretty good. So today's one of those days where we closed doji yesterday, so we really don't have a real solid direction based off the daily. I mean, based off all the other higher time frames, we are bullish, but the daily did close doji yesterday, so we got to be a little careful here, and we broke the low. So that's my concern here in terms of longer term buys today. 4-hour did break the high, right, but we still don't have much of a bottom wick. 1-hour did break the high, same thing, trying to create some sort of a bottom wick here. So price action is bullish though, right? So as long as we continue up, making these higher highs and higher lows, you're pretty good. You get a closure above here, we should be good to go. So other than that, this range, I'm gonna stay out of this range here today. and I'm just gonna wait for positions outside of it. So this right here is gonna be a no trade range here for me. But if we do get a bullish close now outside of the range, I'll be looking to take buys up in here, take buys all through here, and then sells as well. You know, you can come down and fill this area right here, and then there's even more sells below that. So that's what I'll be looking for here today. I'm gonna stay out of the range now after that 30-minute celery, and if I would have still been in, great, but got BE, so won't take another position for at least till 8 a.m. here, or 7:30, but probably 8 a.m. Want to see a close above this resistance here for more buys. So that is going to be the day here on gold for me. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Buys above, sells below. Done deal. Done deal. And where can we go for sells? Well, originally we can come, we're taking sells below here based off the 30-minute time frame. First TP could be right around here, and then full TP more so like down here. And gold as well can come pushing up here today. So this is just the first area. I'll leave these first two areas there for now. And yeah, that's gonna be it. What's crack-a-lackin'? I have problems clearing my drawings. I use different layouts. Ooh. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here as well. So, ooh, nasty consolidation on the 30. Let's get rid of all these drawings. So pound yen here on the weekly, man, we've rejected this area here. So got a lot of rejections here. I think looks like we did close above here though. We did close above, barely. It had a nice rally up here, it looks like, on the weekly, but now it's pushing back down here. So let's see what that wick is on the daily. So okay, so daily time frames in a bit of struggling a little bit here, right? So you pretty much have a resistance that was formed up here, right, with a lot of rejection right here, and then you have a support that's formed right here. So it looks like we closed below on the daily time frame. We've pushed down, never broke the low yet, but pushed back up maybe to create a steeper top wick. And then if we do come back down and start breaking these lows, we could probably come, you know, somewhere in this range today, right? You have a clean traffic here to the left hand side. This is going to be a range where GJ, if it's bearish, right, it's going to reflip and push down into this range, break these lows, and most likely try to retest that support down there. So let's take a look at what that looks like on the 4-hour time frame. So 4 hours been in some consolidation here. Looks like we have a support right here that price is struggling to break through. We tried over here, we had some rejections, price bounced off of it. Tried again now, price is rejecting as well. So this is a pretty strong support here on the 4-hour time frame. Previous 4-hour close bullish. Current one has created a bottom wick now and pushing up. I was looking at this earlier as well. Looks like we did create this support here. So if you guys noticed, there's a support right here, and that's what I was looking for. I wanted to see some sort of support being formed, and now this is going to be your range too. So if you do get a closure above here, right above this level here, then you do have clean traffic coming all the way up to 164,200 here. So that's something to take a look at. We could anticipate price pushing up off of the support if we were bullish on the day, but we're not bullish on the day, right? Previous daily candle closed below. and it closed bearish. So we're gonna need range 2 for any buys, right? So that's basically what you're forming now, is that range 2, where we now have a new resistance, right? We always talk about this. We now have a new resistance here. Let me get this tool. And officially, after this previous 1 hour close, we now have an official support. So this is going to be your second range. So anything in this range up here should be good money at this point. All right. So we'll look to take buys above there on the 1 hour time frame. You got that resistance. You got your support. And yeah, clean traffic here to the left. Clean traffic to the left hand side, and it should be good to go. Now, where's the daily? Let's take a look at daily high. So the daily high is above this 30-minute resistance. So probably best to wait for that. So depends. If we're going to take this position off the 30-minute, we're going to need to wait for this resistance at 1639.40, right? But if we're going to take it off the 1 hour, then we're just going to wait here for this resistance. And this is 1638.05, right? So somebody asked, you know, what's the difference on time frames? They weren't sure what the difference is from taking trades on different time frames, and the difference is just that sometimes you can have different supports, different resistances, and if you are going to take it off a 30-minute close, then most likely you're going to want to take it above this level here, right? If you're taking it off the 1 hour, then it's pretty clean right here to take a position. So that it's just small minor details when you're marking up your charts. All right, cool. So this would have been range 1 pretty much. So range 1 would have been here. Break up, would have to wait for this retest. So that's basically what you're getting now. So now if we do break this range here, that is going to be a range 2 for me. So, but yeah, that's going to be the day here on pound yen. Now we'll just sit tight and let the show go on. But most time frames here are moving bullish outside of the daily, right? I mean, the daily is bullish right now, but previous is bearish. So that's the only time frame really throwing us off. Everything else, you have a bullish closure, bearish closure, but looks like it's a celery play. So yeah, looks pretty clean on most time frames here. Gang.
Yo, good morning, brother.
Good morning, good morning. How we feeling?
Feeling great, bro. How about yourself?
Feeling amazing. Feeling really good.
Oh, yeah. Market that.
Johnny
Good.
Boy's in the house. In the lit up room.
Yep.
Mr. Birthday Boy, the big 18 today.
Yes, sir.
Hey chat, today's John's 18th birthday. Y'all remember your 18th birthday? Some of you guys aren't even 18 yet, but I'm sure most of you are.
Morning, Scott. Thank you, Bowser.
John, did you get hit at break even too?
Yeah, I got hit B.
Alright, cool.
Get that. Finally 18.
Finally 18, so now he can start his own account.
Yep. Thanks, Scott.
At least 18 pips today for Johnny's birthday. Word.
Thank you, Green. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you, Scott. Appreciate you.
Nice, yeah. I only wish I was 18.
I hear that from a lot of people.
All of us that are older than 18, we remember hearing that too. Like, only if I was 18 from the older people, right? So now we're in the older people's shoes.
Alright. Thank you, Billy. Appreciate you.
Billy, look forward to seeing you after the stream, man, for our one-on-one. Looking forward to it, bro. Yeah, the big birthday, so.
Yep.
Sets up his own trading accounts now. Let's go. Kids moving out, moving to Tampa. Let's go.
Oh.
Making big moves, my boy.
Big moves. Big moves. Only.
It's no surprise. There he is. Joey Stew's in the house.
Thank you, brother.
Brother Joe. Joey Ankles. Yo, who's moving to Tampa? I already live in Tampa. We got room for one more.
Bro, I'm coming to Tampa.
Go to Orlando.
Nah, I'll be in Orlando a lot, but I'll be in Tampa.
Pretty soon we're gonna have a Tampa meetup. So anybody from Tampa, we're gonna go down. We're gonna go to Eddie and Sam's, have some pizza, have some fellowship, hang out, talk about trading, talk about some goals.
Yeah, big things coming. Big coming.
So I'll let y'all know when that's going down. I'm in Orlando, so if you move to Tampa, I got fishing spots. Oh, nice. I didn't know you were in Orlando. Yeah, I'm in Tampa. Stop capping to him. He making rent high. Man, don't worry about high rent. Just make your income higher. Don't worry about how high the rent is. Just bring that money up. Ain't nothing expensive. Yo, for real, everyone is living in Florida now.
Nah, that is fast.
Don Ray, I do feel bad for you guys, man. We are bringing your rent up. Sorry. It is a good state.
I'm supposed to move to Dubai though.
Ooh, Dubai. To Dubai. Oh, chat. Looks like we're creeping on 160 subs now. Guess we had a few subscribers here overnight. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be doing a giveaway here pretty soon. Like the stream, sub to the channel, turn your notifications on, tell everyone you know about it. I used to pay 900 now I'm at 1500. That ain't bad. 15 ain't bad either. But damn, 900 to 15? Sheesh.
Prices are going up.
Dollar's going down. Prices going up. I'll be down soon. Yo, they're building like crazy in Florida, man. Everywhere you go, they're building communities, houses, condos, apartments. Damn. But everything now is super modernized, man. Like they have so many new homes, so many new communities. Beautiful new homes, man. Beautiful. Green's coming down too. Green will be here. Green already got a spot down here. Come on, man. Y'all know about Green. My man's worldwide. Might be at 2K when I get there. Yo, for real, dude. Might be at 3K.
All right. How long have you been in Florida for?
Don Ray's a lifer. I could feel it. He was born and raised here. It's nice though. It's hot, but it's nice. To rent a home in Toronto is 3,000 CAD. Oh, since 2015. Oh, nice. Where are you from originally? Yeah, ever since COVID, man. A lot of people pushed down here to Florida. People want freedom, man. People want freedom.
Hell yeah, they want freedom.
Since 2015.
That's
Craziest people are from the Bronx and all of Florida. Oh, I'm from Jamaica, but Florida basically my home now. Oh, nice. Shout out to Jamaica.
I'm down to travel to Jamaica for sure.
1,500 sounds good to me. I need to make my way down. Yo, 1,500 sounds good to me. Shit. Yeah, man. This looks like an impulse entry since the candle is not closed yet. For pound yen? Yeah, if we're gonna go against the daily bias here, I'm gonna wait for a candle to close. Gold is pushing down now. Long wages down here are low. You probably get paid more in your state. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure the wages here are super low. Definitely not like New York. Probably get paid like $10 an hour down here at a job. 12 bucks, 15 bucks, I don't know. So let me just update this record here.
Where'd you close? You closed partials out at that Wickfield?
Yeah, I closed a little bit above it. I had this
Yeah, I don't really like
What'd you say?
pretty open sales, honestly.
Yeah, me too.
Just because daily broke.
Yeah,
Right
same here, bro.
Even right here though, like closing at this resistance area.
Yup.
Wouldn't mind this.
Nah, facts. This looks good.
Do this whole move.
We've already broken the lows here on the daily, right? So we needed a top wick. I think that's what we were able to form just now. And we're rejecting this 4 hour zone here. So we start rejecting here, which it looks like we're doing. Closing strong bearish below here on the 1 hour, we're good. This support right here, that was the support from yesterday that we couldn't break. We couldn't close below. I think you had one close. Yeah, no closes below. Yesterday, remember when we jumped off stream? We were waiting for this candle. Once we jumped off stream, this candle just started dropping. But then look, it pulled all the way back, closed above. So there was nothing there. But you had a nice push down here in Asian session. So I was looking at this Asian session, this close here. We had no bottom wick, but on the 30-minute there was this position here that I probably would have taken. You had a closure below this support, and then you had a top wick. I was waiting on it, but got a little distracted with the family and stuff. Wasn't really paying attention, ran out to the store real quick, and then yeah, seen this, so. But no worries. So nothing yet here. I think we're gonna wait for 8 a.m. here. We close with no bottom wick on the 30-minute. Yeah, nothing here on gold yet. Let's take a look at GJ though. So we've closed above here on GJ. So if we get a bottom wick here, I'm gonna be looking to set up some buy stops. But we're gonna need a bottom wick. We're gonna need a wick down in this range here somewhere. So if we can get that bottom wick, then I'll be looking to take positions on the break of the high. This is good. It's the fake out down on time. Our minimum wage is $15, 15 CAD, which is 11 USD. Nick, how can I get that trading journal? Oh, it's in the Discord. Probably a news channel. Yeah, if you if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can jump in the Discord. There's also the journals in here. So if you come up to announcements up here, and you come up here to scroll up a little bit, right here. So you click this link, go to file. I think it's under make a copy, and then you'll have the link. You'll have the spreadsheet. So you can track all your trades in there, and yeah, I would highly recommend it. And by the way, we're giving away a 20K challenge account here once we crack 1,000 subs. So if you guys are, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, join this free Discord, and then follow me on Instagram right here. And if you win and you're in the Discord, you're subbed, and you're on IG there, then you're gonna win a 20K challenge account. So if you could run that account up, you have a free 20K funded account. So we're gonna be doing that once we crack 1,000 subs. We're over 450 at this point. So 1 hour is cooking here. No bottom wick here on this 30-minute though, so nothing there in terms of positions for me. No bottom wick on this candle either, so nothing there as well. Wait for this 1 hour to close. 1 hour closes here. Below this support, we're in here at 8 a.m. today. News is at 8:30 here today, unemployment claims. So, you know, yesterday we knew this move was coming, right? Off of this support here, we just never got that close above. But you knew 8 a.m. was gonna pump you up here, so that was a nice move. But we just couldn't go against the rule, right? One single trade is not as important as the long-term discipline to your plan. That's one thing I could say. If we had this down here a little bit, maybe we could say that it closed above. So that's one thing I was looking at when I was kind of dissecting this move here, is that if we had this our range right here, then we could say that this candle closed above and probably would have been taking positions, because I believe we had like 28 pip stops. Not even 12 pip stops at that point. Wait, I think that was, no, that was here, right? Yeah, wait. Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. This was the support. So this was the support here. So yeah, I was looking at the wrong one. So no, we couldn't have done that. We didn't get a closure above. All we needed was a close above this level, and we closed right below it, right at it. We knew that this 8 a.m. candle was gonna fly, especially with news coming in. We knew we were most likely gonna get this push, but again, one single trade does not get higher priority than your long-term system. So that's the reason that we didn't take this position here yesterday. But all in all, you know, we knew that move was going to happen here. So today you could expect a very similar thing, right? You have a support being formed. 8 a.m. brings volume plus news, price pushed up. Same thing here. If we have a resistance formed, the NY Open should bring volume, and depending on how that news comes out, we could continue on down here today. I think we're good. Can you explain the no wick thing? Like, what does that imply? Yeah, sure. So candles, 85% of candles look like this. Right? You have a candle, you have a top wick, you have a bottom wick, right? 85% of candles are gonna come with three basic what's the word? Three basic components? Yeah, maybe components, right? Let's use that. So you have one, which is a body. And then you also, so this is a bearish candle we're talking about. So every bearish candle comes with a body, or I should say 85 to 90% of bearish candles come with a body. They come also with a top wick, and they also come with a bottom wick. So what these wicks represent is when you have a bottom wick, that's gonna represent that the next candle has a range to fill, right? So the next candle will usually fill the range, and if it does end up breaking the low, there's a very high chance it'll continue down to the next support, which is down here, right? So every candle, three parts: body, top wick, bottom wick. Now, when there's no bottom wick, what happens is there's no range anymore, right? So have you guys ever heard the term wick fill? Right? When price is gonna fill a wick. So let's say boom. So this is what the term wick fill means, is that the next candle, after it creates its own top wick, it will fill this wick here. Right? So that's where you hear the term wick fill from. Now, sometimes it will reject it, right? It'll fill it and then leave a rejection, but it'll still fill it, so it'll leave that wick, right? Or it will break the lows and continue on down. So, or it'll continue driving like this. Break this low and continue down to possibly retest that support, right? So that's what a wick means. All a wick is it's a range for the next candle to drive. So when there's no wick, it basically says there's no range for this next candle to drive, right? If it closes like this, a lot of times you'll see a push down, right? You'll see a nice little push down to activate sellers, but what'll happen is it'll start to pull back up. All right, it'll start to pull back up, and now you don't know. So now you don't know if it wants to create a support or just a new top wick to continue down. So that's why I never enter candles, bearish candles with no bottom wick, right? Because that means that there's no range for the next price to drive. Now, let's see here. See, here's a prime example of it right here. right? We closed above the range, no bottom wick, price pushed down. Now you don't know if this candle wants to pull back up here, if it just wants to create a top wick, because that's the other thing that I wanted to mention as well, is that when a bearish candle opens up with no top wick, like this one did, there's a very high chance, if 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks, there's a high chance that this candle can still pull up to create a top wick. So we never want to enter right here, because at any point this candle could pull back to create a top wick, right? And we've seen this happen over and over and over again, where once it goes up to create that top wick, then it reflips bearish. That's when you're good to continue driving. But before that top wick is formed, man, if I don't get that top wick, that candle can move without me. I can care less, because I'm not going to risk the fact that 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. If this one doesn't, well, when I enter a sell, guess what now? There's an 85% chance that this trade is going to pull back on me to create a top wick. So why would I want to be in a trade where there's an 85% chance that I'll most likely pull back and start headed in drawdown? So that's the reason we stay out of candles with no top and bottom wicks.
Yeah, we've seen that times too.
Hundreds of times.
Yeah.
I love the one example here on, I think it was the weekly time frame. We were following this weekly time frame for a while, right? And then like you had all these pushes up, and then this candle right here ended up closing with no top wick, right? And what do you notice? The next candle barely had any room to drive. It closed weak bullish. The candle after that closed even weaker, and then the next candle drove down and engulfed everything here, right? And then what do you notice about this candle? No, very small bottom wick. So the candle following that had no range for price to drive. So that's why you see it push down and pull up, close doji. But now this candle right here gave you a top wick, and it gave you a bottom wick. So this candle was able to drive. Yeah, see? That was the driving force. And then once this candle closed with no bottom wick, a push down, and then a push back up. So there's examples all over the charts for this. You just gotta go around, be aware of it, look at it. And do candles ever do something like this? Do they ever close with no bottom wick and then just absolutely melt? Yes. Yes, they do. There is a probability of that happening. The only issue is the probability becomes more like a 50, like a 40 or a 50-50, as opposed to an 80%, probability. So that's all when it comes to the candles. But very important, very, very important.
Definitely.
Such a huge nuance there. Yep. It would take months and months of watching price to learn that nuance that was just shared for free. Yeah, not for sure. It really would. It would take a lot of trial and error. Thank God, I did go through a lot of trial and error with it, but Raja was there to help me, Don was there to help me, so now I'm just here to help you a little bit sooner. Do you look at it the same way on a weekly, monthly? I would think the top bottom wick is created Monday, Tuesday, body Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, same thing. So a candle is a candle, right? Whether it's a monthly, whether it's a yearly, whether it's a 30-minute candle, the anatomy of a candle always remains the same. And that is the beautiful part of our system, is that we only look at candles, right? So once you learn how candles actually work and the anatomy of them, then it becomes just a more so of an experience, right? As you build up that experience, as you build up that chart time and that legit, like, sitting down watching price action move during your session, over the course of some time, you're gonna start to really see that candles all operate the same. It doesn't matter if it's a weekly, monthly, 15-minute, 30-minute. They all have the same traits. See, no bottom wick yet, so this candle has like kind of froze up, you know, kind of froze up, didn't really get to the destination. I think this candle needs a bottom wick, because you entered this candle, right? No bottom wick, break of the high, you're 9 pips, and now you're back down, right? So this candle may create a bottom wick here, even if it's just a little nub. Sometimes it's gonna. The market is art, man. The market is legit art. Love it. Yes, I've been starting to see it a lot lately. Yep. Yeah, and that's the beauty of these streams, right? Because you hear me talk about it, and then you can go back, you can look at it, you can back test it, you can forward test it, and you can really see these things play out, right? If you look left right here, no bottom wick, right? You had a close below, but no bottom wick. Next candle pops itself back in the range. Next one pops all the way up. So there's examples everywhere. Everywhere. What up, Bicos? Bad Bicos in the house. Yeah, great questions, Bowser. Because that's our system, right? It's based off of candles. Where here do you see anything else assisting us other than candles, outside of these imaginary lines that I'm drawing on the chart, right? Ranges, and ranges are very, very important as well. But you don't see any indicators, you don't see us using any other tools, any other methods. All you see here is pure price action, pure candlesticks. And at the end of the day, if you use indicators and they work for you, that's what they're there for, right? But at the end of the day, if you take all those indicators off, what do you have left? Just straight candles, right? So it also has a lot to do with how you interpret things as well. Like me, I'm a guy who likes to, if something's complicated in my own brain, I'll try and make it as simple as possible for me to comprehend it. And that's what I've done here on the charts, because I've used all the indicators. I know about all of them, but at the end of the day, for me and the way I think in my brain, it was best for me to get rid of them all and focus on pure candlestick price action. Pico, sleep. I'm so tired. This guy, man. Crack a Celsius, my G. Crack a Celsius, bro.
It's so simple because wise charts.
What'd you say? You were breaking up a little bit.
It's that simple. We're literally just, you break down the charts the same on every single time frame.
Yeah, exactly. I can make trading really easy for you. I used to be someone who found the indicators would go against my bias and often confuse me more than confluence. Yeah, right? Indicators are delayed. And yeah, that's the other thing. They're all delayed, right? Like I could easily pop up this moving average here. But at the end of the day, I mean, it's all delayed. And price is literally telling you what's happening, right? You don't really need this to, see that price is moving bearish.
Nope, charts will tell us everything.
Yeah, I can teach you how to find your analysis so quick. Let's pick a random pair here. Euro USD. It's so easy, and this is what I learned from Raja, man. Let's take a look at the weekly, right? What are we looking for? So the main things we're looking for here are support and resistance and clean ranges and candles, right? So you have a support, you have a resistance, right? You want to understand what the previous candles are telling you. In this case, it's telling us we are bullish on this weekly time frame, right? So then you want to go down to the daily and you want to say, okay, where's our nearest support? So it's right here. And then where's our nearest resistance? And that's right here, right? Or right here. So now you have a range here. So now you're in this range on the daily. You've found your recent support. You found your most recent resistance. And now this is where you are. So now you could say, okay, we're bullish on the weekly, but yesterday's candle closed bearish and created a resistance. So today we've broken the lows. We're pretty bearish, right? So let's go down to the 4 hour. Now, where's our nearest support on the 4 hour time frame? Well, it's right here. You notice how each time frame we just keep adjusting and adjusting and adjusting. And then if the 4 hour has a resistance, it's going to be right here. Right? So 4 hour now we could say is pretty bullish here, bouncing off this support and looking to possibly re-break its own daily high. Now if we go to the 1 hour, we got to adjust, right? So if we go to the 1 hour, we have a support here, and then we also have a resistance right here. So now you're slowly magnifying the chart so that way you could look for positions to take, right? So you have the 1 hour. This is your previous daily high. If you break that high and you get a range to above here, you do have clean traffic that is going to continue up here, right, to these levels up here. Right, that's going to be your first area of resistance. Because why? Because you have rejections here, right? If you look left, there's also rejections right here. So this will be your first area of any sort of resistance. So if you wait for a range to buy, boom, you're good to go. Now, if you're looking for sells, you have a support right here that probably breaks the daily low or just about, and that's where you're going to have your charts marked up, right? And then that's all you do, literally. Find supports, find resistances, understand the bias as you're moving through the time frames, and take your positions accordingly. And then you just learn the little nuances that come with it through experience. How much are those waters down there? $2 a piece up here. Yeah, they're like $2.50. $2.50. And then you just look for clean traffic to the left. And you look for the cleanest range to trade in. And that's all. You look for those clean ranges, mark off your supports and resistances, and good to go. Good day, everyone. Roderick, what up? Good day, my friend. Welcome, welcome. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel here. We are here every day of the week, Monday through Friday. So how do you determine what time frame has better confluence? Or do you wait till they align in one direction? Another great question. How do you determine which time frame, right? This one's bullish, this one's bearish, this one's bearish, this one's bearish, this one's bearish, right? So the way you do it is very simple. You have to tell the story. So what are the candles telling us? Well, right now we are very bearish, right? Look at this push down. So daily candle closed super doji. It tried to do this, but it couldn't make its way up. Now we closed doji yesterday and we've broken the daily low. So boom, that's one clue that we're gonna use. We've now come up to create a top wick for this daily candle that previously didn't really have much of a top wick. So now we've created a top wick 4 hour broke the high, but this 4 hour had no bottom wick. So remember what we talked about with bottom wicks. So it rejected this area and is now potentially flipping bearish to create a resistance, right? So if this is creating a resistance now, we've already had a push down. Now you're coming up to basically retest. If this 4 hour now wants to create a bottom wick and potentially close bearish, well, that's going to line up with what the 1 hour candle is saying, right? So how do we anticipate where the next candle is going to move to? If this 4 hour candle is going to flip bearish, well, where can this 1 hour candle go? Well, if we close, we could start to make our way down here so we can have a bearish close on that previous 4 hour candle, right? You also have the NY open coming up. So if you get a close below this support, a bearish close, that means that we have pushed up, created resistance for that, and that means we should continue back down now to retest support and potentially even break below it. So the candles will tell you a story. It's just, are you looking at price like this, right? Like I used to look at it, where you can't see what the candles are saying? Or are you zoomed in and you're looking at each individual candle, predicting where could the next one go? Or not predicting, but anticipating where this next candle can go based off of the higher time frames, right? We've tapped all buyers in, swing traders on that push, and now we push back down. 4 hours looking to continue possibly rejecting, right? So these sells will start to line up now based off of the story that we're getting off of the candles. 30-minute as well. This 30-minute closes below support. You have clean candles to the left, clean candles to the left. Should be good to continue driving down. 1 hour is going to give you better direction. Plus, we also have in the back of our mind that in 4 minutes, the NY open is coming up. So the NY open brings lots of volume, right? So when will price start to create those resistances and supports? Right before volume comes in. So that's kind of the storyline of what we're getting here. Damn, 24 pack for 250? Hold on, I'll be right back.
Yeah, use the higher time frames. Use the higher time frames to find your direction for the day, and then use the smaller time frames to enter in positions going into that direction, you know, for that day. That's it. Let's make it very simple for yourself. Because literally each time frame tells a story. So you just got to put the pieces together like it's a puzzle.
All right, so I'm gonna set up shop here. May have some sell stops here.
Yeah, so, bro, gold should pull back a little tiny bit.
Let's lock it in here. We do need a close below though. So we're gonna need that close below, and we're gonna need a top wick. Two minutes.
Really, hours at that resistance area. There.
What'd you say?
But I guess this is looking nice. The 4 hour is rejecting that resistance area.
Yep. 1 hour. We need this 1 hour candle to close below.
Yeah.
Otherwise, no trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, this 30-minute needs to close below, leaving a wick. That'll be perfect. I like to be zoomed in and always thought I had to be zoomed out. Yeah, no, not at all. If you're on an hourly trade, obviously it might not last 4 hours. I'm holding a buy on US30. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, a couple seconds here and we'll see if we get this close. Ten seconds. All right, so we did not get the close that we're looking for here. So gonna have to wait. $15-minute close bullish. All right, we're gonna have to wait a little bit here. 30-minute close bullish. 1 hour close bearish. That's about it. Makes sense. Perfect. I've always had a problem with the higher time frame since I started trading on the 1 minute. I've adapted to seeing the higher time frames on the 1 minute by the amount of candles it requires. Wow. 60 candles for a 1 hour. Sheesh. Yeah, the lowest I'll ever go is usually the 5 minute. Other than that, so we got news here in is it 8:15 or 8:30? 8:30. Time on screen and trying to get used to higher time frames. Yeah. Just like John said, every time frame tells a story. So just dive down to those lower time frames and yeah, tell the story, right? Make it make sense. See how GJ closed here. Oh, not bad. Not too bad at all. Yeah, they should all match up too. You're right, Green. Yeah, they should all start speaking the same language.
Yeah, like when you're about to enter position, you want to make sure that that all of them are lining up together.
Yeah.
Definitely. That makes sense. Your position makes logical sense.
Yeah. My platform closed below on the 1 hour support. Oh, you're probably looking at this support, right? So I'm looking at this support here. We do have volume, so again, this same thing as yesterday, right? We could push down, fill the wick during volume, but really wanted to get a close below there. My 30-minute close bullish above with a rejection, so. But it looks pretty clean on the 1 hour. Create a little bit of a top wick here.
Still would have maybe like to see a little steeper top wick.
Doom, 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 doom. Yeah, I mean, it's an impulse entry at 8 a.m., right? It should, 1 hour close bearish. It could definitely drive here. Doom, 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 doom. Yeah, chances are it's not going to come back up to this high, so you should be good. Yeah, not bad. Doom, 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 doom. So yeah, you pretty much have a 50-50 chance. Right? If this candle would have closed below, it would have been more of like an 85% chance we'll drive. But being that it didn't close below, we still closed bearish, right? So there is a 50-50 chance that price will continue down here with the NY open. But I'd rather wait for an 85. Oh my God, I'd rather wait. Oh, dude. We always know when Tandy's here. But I'd rather wait for an 85% chance, right? What up, Tandy?
Let's get
when I walk that
What up,
dog,
Jay? Jay's here
When I
too.
walk that dog, that's when it becomes 85.
Where'd Jay go?
What up?
Yo, what up, Jay?
What up?
What up? What up? What up?
What up, my boys?
How's it
Hey.
going?
Going good. Not as good as you over there with that jar, though.
That jar was a while back though, bro. Like,
Nah, wasn't that like 2 days ago?
nah, that was last week. When
Oh, wow. Time flies.
When Chris was on the call.
Oh yeah, I think you're right.
Mm-hmm.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Exactly.
Tandy,
But yeah, bro.
how was work? How'd that first day go?
I don't know.
Oh, is that where you were at yesterday, dude?
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
wondering where you were at.
Yeah, Wednesdays. Well, starting next Wednesday is when I officially start the job, so.
Tandy was entering Vice City yesterday.
You were
Dude,
in Miami?
no, I was wearing this fucking, like, drug cartel fucking button up. Dude, it was off the chain.
The stash went perfect with it too.
Tell me, bro, they decided to do a company, like, pictures yesterday and videos.
Oh, perfect.
They told me to get in there, dude, and I was like, dude, I don't know if this is the look that you guys are going for, but oh man,
Good thing you were dressed to impress, bro.
exactly. I'm official now. I'm in the pictures.
He's only
Damn.
been there one day. He's official.
He's already in the marketing pictures and everything.
Even
Yeah,
if they
I'm like,
fire
dude,
him, he's always
I'm
going
not
to be
even-
there forever.
I'm not even really employed, dude. You guys really want to make this commitment?
He's like, no, we need people in there to make it seem like we got
Get your ass in there. Get in there. Get in there,
Even if
you
they get
handsome
fired,
son of
we
a
need to
gun.
make people know that we got employees here,
Yeah.
even if it's only me.
The silverback gorilla has escaped the zoo again. Damn.
Damn.
He's broken out.
Oh, Chad, you're so nice to me.
Wait, so how did it go? So like, what was so wrong about the job? Like, it was just like a lot of talking, no money making kind of thing.
Bro. Trading is my dream, dog.
Oh,
Facts.
I told you.
Nothing
already,
compares
bro.
after that.
You just go and get the bag and come back.
Yeah,
I know.
that's true.
That's all it is. That's all it is. Look at Raja. That man went oil mining, bro. Got the bag and he got to it.
Facts.
That's all it is. That's all it is.
Oh,
It's not like you're giving up a dream. You're
But
just
it's-
working on the other one.
It's 9 hours of oh, you got to go talk to your wife. What you don't, or she doesn't trust you with making these decisions. You're like putting people back into like a vulnerable state. You know, it's just a constant like deflection.
Hit him with this one. Be like, oh, you gotta wait for your wife. All right, we'll make sure she puts her pants on before she makes the decisions, and you guys go ahead and give me a call back when you're ready. She's like, oh, hold on, I wear the pants. You know what? Fucking sign that deal right now. I don't gotta wait for nobody to tell me fucking shit.
The only thing you're gonna be telling your wife is that I wish I would have bought more earlier.
The only thing you're gonna tell your wife is that you wish you would have bought the house at this price. Now it's this price.
Today's price ain't yesterday's price, baby.
You hit him with the Fat Joe, bro.
You gotta make a decision ASAP.
With inflation, you know yesterday's price ain't today's price.
Tandy, just tell them you got another interested buyer. They got another interested buyer, honey. We need to get this ASAP.
Be like, I got another person on the call here. Hold on. Oh, he said he's ready to close. Are you sure you want it? All right, he's gonna skip on this deal. I gotta go. Money calling. Jay isn't in sales. I actually am in sales, but not in sales for housing. I actually do sales for like networking and fiber optics. So all I say is this: you guys want to be online? No? Okay, fine. Be fine. Don't work.
So you don't want to be connected to the world? All right, I'm out of here.
So you
I got to do another job.
Products to the world and talk to everybody else and communicate through IP? Oh, no? Okay, cool. We'll let you not make money. Nah, I don't tell people.
Nothing like these charts, man. Nothing like these charts. You ain't got to talk to one person to make money on these charts. You don't even have to know anyone. You could be living under a rock.
Scott, I'm just kidding, bro. I'm not selling people trash, bro. Making it seem like all I want to do is just sell people bullshit.
Just come from a genuine place to help these people. Yeah, it's got to be like a mind hack, right? Like I'm helping these people, right? Like somehow you just got to put it together in your own brain that like you're doing a good service.
And I just gotta find my own medium. Like maybe it's not being super aggressive with people when they're like, oh, I gotta go talk to my wife. Maybe it's like finding another way around it. I don't know.
Yeah, you gotta find a need, right? You gotta find the need. Why would this guy want to purchase this from me, right? Like why would he want it? So instead of telling him all the details of the house and the price and this and that, spend 30 minutes before you even go over any money talking about who are you, man? What's your story? You know, everyone loves to tell their story. Who are you, man? Why are you guys looking to get a new house? You know, oh wow, you got 2 new kids. Beautiful, what a blessing. How amazing is that going to be to have them in a nice home? But you know, you gotta make it work. You know what I mean?
Building number 4.
Basically, what Nick's saying is blow that smoke in their ass and just be like,
yeah, but also give them.
Look at this beautiful land over here. You got a playground over here, pool right here. Oh, this is a lovely place.
But it's also being like,
keep it valid.
You know? Like,
keep it
this
valid.
This is a $5.1 million home. You only make $500,000. That's okay. You can live here.
We can get you a
place right here. God wants you to have this. This is $5.1 million, but He says you are destined to be here. I'm telling you, this is your place.
Yeah, you just gotta like Scott said, just come from a genuine place and find the reasons that they would want it and then confirm them reasons right back to them. You just if you're doing most of the talking, chances are you're not gonna make that sale.
So basically, just shut up and listen to them.
That's it.
I don't like this.
Ask good.
You don't like the pool? Okay.
Good, engaging questions. Ask your questions for a reason too, not just some random question like.
Always ask the wife. Do you like the kitchen size? Is it good? You see yourself cooking in here? Yeah? Alright. It's perfect.
Build that vision.
Dude, like the kid yesterday that got me like hired over there, he bought a house in Hudson for $210,000. He found a buyer for $350,000, bro.
They wholesaled it? They wholesaled it?
What?
They wholesaled it?
For the tax fee.
Oh.
The money's there. The money is definitely there.
You gotta be relentless like Grant Cardone.
10 times.
10 times, and you gotta go at it 10 times hard.
I may be interested in these sells off the 15-minute here before news. If you get this candle to close, it's like a 10 pip stop. Off the 15. 30-minute looking bearish. 1 hour is bearish. Let's see. Let's see how we close here. Do 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 do. Yeah, if we can get a top wick on this next 15 and have a bottom wick here, I'll probably look to take some positions. Gonna need a top wick though. 30 pushing down, 1 hour pushing down, pretty nice. Stops are only like 13 pips. I'm not sure if price will move before news. I went for that sell, but news could stop me out. Yeah. Yeah, if this 1 hour would have closed below, would have had a little bit more confluence there. But we did break the low here, so if we come up and create some sort of a top wick up in this area, when we re-break that low, high chance price will continue down. Oh, there it goes.
I'm close to comments too.
I was thinking about this, chat, but wanted to get a little bit of a steeper wick, but it's okay. We'll let it go. We do have news coming out here, so. But I do believe that this could be our resistance for the day, so we can continue down here. Same thing happened yesterday, right? This was basically your support for the majority of the session, push up, then we had this crazy push back down, but rather not take a trade off the 15, right? Settle down for a 15 when you didn't even get a 1 hour close, so yeah, just wait. Give me 1 sec, chat, I'll be right back. John got the whole red light district going on over there. Okay.
LED lights.
$8.20. $8.20 volume.
Facts, my stops would definitely be trailed by now, or I'd be.
There it goes.
Yeah, beautiful. It's going straight to 2015.
Yep. Would you wait for after news? Yeah, now we're just gonna wait. I was thinking about taking it off this 15, but that 820 volume though, nice push.
Yeah.
You giving away challenge? Yes, I am. Celsius gang. Oh wow, GJ turned around here.
Yo, Ant, did you secure on that?
Yeah, you should be pretty deep in profits now.
Freaking nice 20 plus pips. Damn, bro, I was thinking GJ was gonna do a little fake out there.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll see how we can take advantage of comics here based off of like 15-minute candles, because that would have been nice there. The idea was there. It hardly ever completely reverses at 820 if you could align the bias at the 1 hour 30-minute. Yeah, yup. Yeah, we're gonna start paying attention to the 815 candle and watch how that closes. If we don't get a close on like a 1 hour like this, then we're gonna take a look at how the 15 closes. And if the 15 closes like it did today, then we could look to take positions on this. Stops would have been like 9 pips, 10 pips. So that could be something that we add to the arsenal. Sort of what happened here. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Yeah, 2016 tapped.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd be comfortable in that as well. Yeah. But like I said, it's got to make sense, right? We're not going to enter off the hourly here. Like that doesn't make sense. We're not going to enter off the 30-minute. That doesn't make sense. But if we scale down to the 15, as I was saying, if we get a close below this level here, then that could make sense, right? Now that we've gotten a 15 closure, you got 820, you're in the NY open, there's volume, break the lows, boom. Now you see the drive. So yeah, we'll look to take advantage of that. and be sitting in this trade by tomorrow. Something I've watched, right? That's why I was even thinking about attempting it, but seems to work out a lot more than it doesn't. Yeah, 15-minute was a nice entry. Five-minute wasn't bad either, right here. You had a 5 close below. Nice clean traffic on the way down. What are they expecting here? Right around the same. Fundamentally, we have been bullish. Yeah, yep. Yeah, for the news may reverse it. You gotta push up, push back down, push up maybe. If the 1 hour closes back above the range, that's gonna tell us a lot. That'll tell us a whole lot. That means news is bad for the dollar. Push price back up. This candle closes bullish. Then you can see the buys continue to play out. All right, this candle closes bullish. Next candle should pop. But we are pretty bearish right now. So. Good morning, Red FX. Good morning, brother. Unemployment claims. Hey Tandy, if I was able to find some wholesale deals, like some desperate buyers, are those guys like into? Are they pretty big investors? Would they be into buying like the property and
Everything, dude. Everything.
Yeah.
If you can find people that are like hot leads,
Yeah.
that are willing to sell, and just give us like an opportunity in like acquisitions
Mm-hmm.
to pitch them. Yeah, I'm sure they'll give you like a, I don't know what it is. I don't know what percentage finder's fee it is.
Yeah. Well, basically, if I found it for like 100, and I would just be like, you could take it for 110. You know, 110.
Oh yeah, that'd be
And
perfect.
if it makes sense for them, then I'll be cool with just that. I forget what they call it, but basically that little difference right there.
Yeah, it's they have like finder's fee, buyer's fee, seller's fee. There's
Word.
fees for everything, agent fee, commission. Like there's just, dude, there's so many fees in buying houses.
Bet.
But yeah, dude, they yesterday they just hired a new person in Cape Coral to go around and check properties that they're interested in if they have tortoises, owls, or scrub jay birds.
Oh wow.
I never really knew that like animals could cause so much negative equity in the property.
That's crazy.
Because they dig holes like tortoises and shit. Will dig massive holes, like,
Sheesh.
collapse buildings and shit.
That's called wholesaling? Yeah, I'm familiar with wholesaling. I've done wholesaling before.
But dude, 100% like fucking real estate sharks out there, dude.
Wow, there's that 1 hour.
Oh wow.
What's the spread looking like?
Oh wow. What is the news? Way more than expected. Good for gold. That's
Oh damn, gold's gonna go up here. Gold should push according to that.
yeah. Way like 30K more.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
Them stimulus checks are coming. Them stimmies. If you had buy stops, you got slipped 100%. Who had buy stops? Anybody?
Yeah, that's rough. That's rough.
What do you think the price will do for news? Up or down? Well, as you can see, no thinking when it comes to the news. You just gotta watch. Did your stop loss get slipped, Ant? I think we're gonna push down here and then close bullish. If we close bullish here, we could be in for some positions as well. Daily candle may want to flip up, break the high, especially now that the news is out. So yeah, 4 hour. Look at that thing pushed all the way down. Before it had a bottom wick, right? It had no bottom wick. Now it created a bottom wick. Should be good to continue up. How can we get positions? Well, let's take a look. We're gonna need a candle to close here on the 15, maybe even the 5, but probably the 15. Anything can happen when you out here popping every night. They're getting tax returns and quitting their jobs. I'm out. I'll find another job somewhere else. One thing I noticed here is after we had that initial pump, when we flipped, we were able to drive like 20 something pips. So kind of like CPI, right? You had that print, reflip, drove pretty decent. Once it reflipped, drove about 20 pips. The issue with the news is the spread. Like my spread's back to normal now, about 1 pip, but I think I seen like 4 pips at one point. Oh, dang.
Man, I want to low-key see gold just this 30-minute close in this range, because if we get a breakout, I don't know what I'm going to use for stops, you know?
Yep.
That's if I don't want to use logical stops, but...
Stops are pretty hefty here.
Yeah. So I wouldn't mind if this next 30-minute candle closed in this range.
Yeah, because that's the 4-hour close, right? We talked about this earlier, how we could be rejecting. We've already broken the lows on the daily. If we came up to make a top wick here, then we now have a top wick. So this is the discussion based off of sells here, right? Logically, we've broken the low, right? Let's pay attention to what details price is giving us. We've broken the low before making a top wick during Asian session, London session. We came up, we created a top wick, and now we're pushing back bearish. The 4-hour candle has rejected this zone, and now the 4-hour candle is bearish, right? We discussed a little bit of this earlier as well. So if that's the case, and the 4-hour is bearish, well, where could we expect this next 4-hour candle to go? Right? You close bearish here, you create that resistance. Next candle has pretty clean traffic, man, until back down to 2000, I believe. So we're just looking at this from a selling standpoint right now. $2003. The 1-hour candle has closed, or if the 1-hour candle closes below the support, well, that's pretty clean. 30-minute candle has grabbed liquidity, broke the lows. So everything's lining up bearish right now. 15's at the support. 5-minute closed above its support. Yeah. So, and then in terms of buys, I mean, right now we can't see any buys, right? Price action is not showing signs of buys. Everything is bearish now. So, you ever heard the term be a bandwagon in the markets? Find where the direction is and then jump in? That's kind of like what we're looking at here now. Overall, every time frame is telling us bear, right? So we have to do what they say.
Don always said, let the markets come in first, you come in second.
Yeah. Yep.
You come second to the markets.
Our 15 entry would have got smoked. This would not be a break even. You would have got priced in up here, took a loss probably on that trade. Or break, if you closed down here and then had your stops at BE, you most likely lost some profits from your partials. But that shit was crazy, son. Oh, negative news for gold. Price is still in the range with the negative news for USD. I'm expecting price to reverse supports. Yeah, we gotta see some. If we're gonna take buys, we gotta see something first, though. We can't just, or I can't just press buy right here in hopes that it goes up. Because price action right now is scream and sell. So yeah, we got 44 people watching. Like the stream, guys. Subscribe to the channel. If you want to be part of the giveaway, probably next month, once we crack 1,000 subs, one or maybe two lucky winners are gonna get a 20K, probably my Forex Funds account, challenge account. If you could run that account up, you got yourself a 20K account. But we need 1,000 subs before we do that, so we're halfway there. My bad. Let me put my Instagram handle up a little bit, so that way you guys can see there's an underscore. Got here 3 minutes here to the 15 close. 3 minutes.
It's about to happen, Anthony. It's about to happen. He's waking up. Get your positions ready.
Any time to walk that dog. This has been so far the best. Wow, that's what's up, Anthony. Especially when Tandy walks the dog, right?
No facts. I feel like we all win, dude. Who's lost?
Who's lost when that dog's been
walk the dog, dude? That's crazy if you have.
Word. When that dog's paws are on the pavement, you already know.
Oh shit. Paws on the pavement getting picks. Oh shit.
Paws on the pavement, baby.
Yo, Tandy, what kind of dog you got?
It's a pit bull.
Where I fuck with those.
It's a Labrador Retriever.
Nice.
He's a good boy.
Nice.
He's a good boy.
What kind of dog do you have?
I don't have a dog.
What the fuck?
He is the
bro,
dog.
Yeah, I am a dog for sure. If I do get a dog, I would definitely want a pit bull. I would definitely want a pit bull.
Oh.
Yeah.
You called yourself a dog?
Yeah, I am a dog, bro.
Hey, a furry?
My boy eats dog food every day.
I literally do. Ground beef, bro, every day, like you.
Have you seen the people that are eating dog food because it's high in protein?
No way.
Yeah, they're eating
I actually haven't.
yeah, like a little can of dog food that you just have in your pocket, a little snack.
Bro, people are sick.
Yo, for sure.
Took that bodybuilding to the next level.
Nah, bro. I'm gonna feed my dog steaks.
Steaks, hell yeah.
Dude,
If I get a dog, though. I'm gonna train him though too.
That dog you straight. You don't even cook the steak, just red raw meat.
Word, bro. He's like, give me more of that shit.
Do 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 do. $15 has closed. Oh. Do, 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 do. Yeah, at this point, man, we should just wait for the 4 hour here. We close bearish.
Yeah.
We just act on what we discussed in the morning time, right? We talked about this happening, and I think it's best to wait to what we want it to happen, let it play out, and that way we can get in positions. Because at this point, it's the last 15 of the 4 hour as well. You want to see this 4 hour close bearish. Next candle give us a top wick, and then, like I said, man, we can come downtown here on the 4 hour time frame. If we look left, 4 hour time frame, the next area of any sort of resistance is going to be right here, which is at 2004. Other than that, it's clean traffic, right? Look at this clean candle right here. Start breaking through these wicks, should come on down. Whew. 5 minute looks to be slowing up a bit. Yeah. No bottom wick. Yeah, we'll stick to the plan, right? It's always best to stick to your plan. A lot of people, they just can't be consistent in sticking to their plan. Right? They see these big moves, they want to get in, they want to jump in trades. You know, they start losing the logic. And if you had a plan beforehand, well, we wanted a closure, a 1 hour closure below here. That was our first plan. We never got that. Price drove here on us. No problem, right? We're still disciplined to the plan. We were thinking about getting in the 15 here, but we didn't get much of a top wick nor had a bottom wick. But we were anticipating sells here for the 820 volume and potential to be in there for the news. But you know, look at what happened here. So really nothing we could do at this point. It's probably going to be best to wait on the 4 hour here. Most people just can't stick to the plan, right? And that doesn't mean that they won't win. They may win trades. But as I was saying to a few people yesterday, sticking to the plan is more important than one trade, right? One winning trade. Because sticking to the plan will leave you consistently profitable. Where breaking your plan for one trade will just get you a 1 day profit, right? And then long term, that's probably not going to work the best. So we're all long term focused here.
Facts. Do you wanna Do you want to win today and lose tomorrow? Or do you want to win today and win tomorrow?
Word. Yep. Why settle down? I think I was saying this to Scott too. I think I said it on the stream yesterday too. But if one trade, if 2 or 3 trades can pretty much pay for your lifestyle for a month, why settle down for anything that doesn't meet your criteria?
Why waste your money on a trade that doesn't make sense to you and goes against all your rules?
Yeah, for one win.
Right?
Just to be like rah 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 rah, right? Like if we entered off this 1 hour candle, I'd be shitting my pants that whole trade. Because I know that that's not my system. My system calls for a close below. So it's been a while since I've been uncomfortable in a trade, and that's because I only trade my system. I only trade my plan. If I'm not trading my plan, I'm already uncomfortable from before I even get activated. I'm already uncomfortable. And this win would be great. Oh my God, amazing! But it's one of those wins where it's a great win, but it's not a great win, right? Because it goes against your plan. Now, some people have different plans where this calls for them to enter, which is great. It's just not my plan. KenFX, 55 pips today on gold buys. Great job, bro. Good work. 4 hours juicing. Some people, what their plan was they wanted to see price push up to this level and reject there. And then they entered, and that's great. That's a great win for them because that was their plan. They were looking for something, expecting something, that something happened, and they entered this trade. So it's not like, oh, anyone who took this trades, you're breaking your rules. No, like you may not have the same rules as I have, and that's totally fine, right? That's totally fine because whatever you did to create those rules, you did them, so you have data on that. I don't. I only have specific data on my setups. So for that reason, I would wait. So this 1 hour candle didn't close below. I need that to close below right here. Sells below. This 30-minute closed with no bottom wick, and this one closed bullish, right? So there was nothing there for me.
Yo, I've never seen this before. They revised the news.
Oh yeah?
That's why it's going down, bro. So they had it at previous at 198. The actual was 228, showing an increase. So good for gold back to the dollar. But they revised it because the previous was 246K, and now the actual is 228K.
Interesting. Wow.
That's crazy.
Where do you see that?
It's like that little arrow next to, like, refresh the page. And it's the little arrow right next to 246K.
Oh.
Put your mouse over it.
Oh, wow. I don't think I've ever seen that either.
No. So this makes sense why gold's going down.
Damn, that's crazy. I've never seen that.
4 days, I mean 3%.
Yeah, that is messed up, yeah. Like, how did you get it so far wrong? Like, what?
Wow, that's crazy. Legit never seen that.
I'm like sitting here confused. I'm like, you know, what are we really doing? But now this makes sense.
One thing I am interested on sample sizing is this 30-minute break of all the highs and then the reflip. So today we broke all highs. Once we flipped bearish, we were good to come down. So kind of like CPI, I want to see if unemployment claims will continue to do that. Because if it does, then we can execute on that in a couple weeks. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. All right, so we do have the 1 hour, the 4 hour, everything closing up here in just a few minutes. Are we gonna break this 4 hour low? Happy birthday to Johnny Boy. Big 18 today.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
The birthday. April 6th, the legend was born.
Happy birthday, Jerome.
Dude,
Thank you,
happy
brother.
birthday.
Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Candy. Thank you,
Yeah,
boys.
my man.
Hope you have yourself a great day, my man.
today.
A grown man today.
Make sure your brother sends you some money to enjoy yourself, right?
Facts. You better.
That's right, you better.
You're already a grown man mentally, but now officially a grown man in the eyes of the
Bro,
law.
officially.
In the eyes of the law.
Right? Officially.
Damn.
The law says
It's
no.
It's
Now
only downhill from here.
it's no longer juvie or jail. It's jail.
Yep.
I never heard that one before. That was good.
It's how it is though, bro. You know, when you're under 18, you go to juvie. When you're over 18,
That's
all right,
right.
you're going to the big house now.
That's true.
Ooh.
Hope you have yourself a great day, bro.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
See if we can get some money making
Some dubs.
yeah,
Yeah.
for the birthday.
Facts. Facts.
Are you going to school?
Nah, I'm off all week.
Oh, that's right. You're on break right now, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. So yeah. After the stream,
done.
go ahead and hit your brother up, get that money, go have some fun.
Definitely.
It's got spring break. We should just fly him down here to Florida.
Yeah, why aren't you in Florida in spring break?
Dude, I know, bro.
Come on.
Beats.
Yeah.
He
That's
ain't,
my girl.
he ain't like the rest.
I don't know, bro. I'm different. I don't even tolerate with kids in my grade, man.
Oh, okay, then yeah. Screw
I
that.
don't have time
Dude.
for nonsense, you know?
It's insane right now. I'm like right next to Clearwater Beach, so dude, the people are belligerent. It's wild.
4 hour low's broken. We breaking the daily low, or oh no, not yet.
Nah.
The kid's different. Most 18-year-olds, they can't wait to get drunk tonight.
Yeah, I know it.
What's
Yep.
today? Friday?
No, Thursday.
Thursday. So yeah, they're gonna start Thirsty Thursday.
Yeah.
Get ready for a full weekend of dumping alcoholic poison into their bodies, to their holy temples that God gave them.
For real, unfortunately, they don't know that time adds up, you know?
Yeah, they think
Every
they're still
week,
young.
Yeah. They think they got time, man, but shit catches up on people.
Time waits for no one.
I don't know.
Can
Just
we
trying
get...
to take advantage, you know, of the opportunity I got. That's it.
Amen, bro.
Locked in.
Locked.
Tunnel vision season.
I like that. All right, 4 hour coming to a close here. So when you see all your Instagram gurus chat, just know that this is trading, man. This is what it takes to trade, right? Before all the glitz and glamour, before all the flashy things and the trader lifestyle, this is what those guys are doing that you think doesn't take any work, that you think doesn't take any patience and thought, right? This is the work here.
Gosh.
So if you think you're gonna be able to just get by and buy your Lambo and your beautiful penthouse with just pressing buttons and seeming so easy, this is what you're in for. So get used to days like just on the charts, man. This is the work. Patience, discipline, sticking to your plan, sticking to your strategy, not wavering, staying steadfast, right?
No, that is the work for sure.
All right, so we got a 4-hour close here. We broke the lows. We're creating a top wick. This 4-hour candle can certainly start to push down here. Would like to see some sort of a top wick here, because we're gonna need a stop loss. Let's see how GJ closed. GJ looks pretty clean as well to come on down. 4-hour close pretty nicely here. A little bit below support. So someone's got to be lying. Ooh.
It's feeling like a 9:30 trade for me.
Yeah, we're pushing down pretty quickly here. It's the first 1 minute of this 4-hour candle. Do, 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 do. We're gonna need a stop loss, right? So right now stops are up here, 2020. So we're gonna need a stop loss here. Current candle, we'll see. Starting to break the low here in the first 2 minutes. I like this setup. Yeah. Da 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 da.
I want a closure below 2010.
2010. I mean, I love what we're seeing, but in the first 2-3 minutes of the 4-hour candle, it's just a little early. But
Where were you looking? Were you looking to get in positions?
if we had a little bit of a top wick, I mean, 4-hour candle, it did tap this most recent support, almost, but yeah. 5 minute broke the lows, nice. A lot of bearish volume, I guess.
on its way to re-break the daily lows.
Yeah, these are the daily lows down here, right here. Based off the 15-minute, if you can get a close below here, we are clean. Dun, dun. Nice, you got to close on the 5 there. Let's wait for the 15. All right. You guys are really building up that discipline muscle though. I'll tell you that. The last couple days, we've watched price just run. Just run. Building that discipline. Right, Green? Right, Greenie? How often do you go live, brother? Every single day, Monday through Friday. 6:30 a.m. Eastern till about 10:30. Yo, I like this 5 celery play if that happens. That ain't bad. It's either that or we wait for the 15 to close. It is what it is. I like that. I'm gonna start tuning in daily. I want to learn the skill. Currently just invest in XRP. Oh, okay, yeah, come on by, man. Every day we're here. Subscribe to the channel. turn your notifications on and tune in every day, man. You will definitely learn a lot. Hey, this is our song too, right?
Is it?
I've subbed and notifications are on. Awesome. Hey, appreciate the sub. Thanks for subbing to the channel. Appreciate the support. And we're here to give value back for that support. So 4 hour right off the rip here, man. Off the rip, off the rip. Dun, dun, dun. And now we wait. GJ's not bad though either. If we break the low here on the 4 hour, let's take a look at the stops. You got about a 20 pip stop using current candle highs. I think I'm gonna have a sell stop here on GJ. Looks clean. We've closed below 4 hour time frame, closed strong bearish, made a resistance, closed below this level. 1 hour time frame closed below as well. 30 minute as well. 15's looking pretty good too. Yeah, I think I might have a sell stop here on the break of this low here. Daily candle flipping bearish as well. Yeah, I'm gonna have sell stops right here, chat, for pound yen. While we wait on Goldie. Oh, red FX, same idea. GJ, it's only a 19 pip stop too, so not bad. Not bad at all. It's like a 15 pip stop. Yeah, it's pretty clean. I can see this 4 hour now. Now that we've rejected up here, we've created resistance, closed below. Once it breaks the low, should be good. Shouldn't come back up to break its own high. TP is going to be down here, the support at 11 pips, you're risk free, then you got about a 30 pip drop. Gold 15-minute candle going to close here in 2 minutes. Let's see what happens with this. Never broke the 15 low yet. 4 hour freaking ripped right off the jump. Sorry to ask, what does a pip mean? Hear the phrase and not sure what stands for. Pip stands for, I believe, point in percentage. So every time the market moves a tick, that is called a pip, and basically that's what we get paid off of. So you get paid off of pips. So there's certain lot sizes, and those lot sizes determine how much value you give to any pip going for you or against you. So if you have $1 a pip and you are moving 10 pips, you will be up $10. If it's moving against you 10 pips, you will be negative $10. Do, 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 do. All right, 15-minute close below here. So let's see if we get this top wick. Gold 15. At this point, we're gonna wait for a 15-minute celery. I'm not gonna enter off the break of the low here. At this point, man, we've already let this thing go. I'd rather wait for 9:30 here. GJ is also a 15-minute celery if we do break the lows here. Is that with 10x leverage? Yeah, whatever leverage, yep. 10x, 50x, 100x. Depends what broker you use, what leverage they give. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Might get activated here on pound yen. Not yet, not yet. Roger that. Let me pull this up. Let me just send this signal real quick. What is that at? 163.507. TP is gonna be 163.200. Stops 163.670. All right, perfect. Damn, you got that signal already? Sheesh. I've seen this gold setup reverse multiple times. We, at yesterday's lows, it failed to break if reversed, yeah. Yep. Yeah, we're coming down to these lows here, right? So we want to be just a bit careful. These are 1 hour lows. I don't like when a 4 hour candle, or any candle at that matter, pushes down and breaks the lows within the first 2-3 minutes. Raja talks about that all the time. BRB. How we looking? How we looking? Let's get rid of everything here. And let's take a relook at this. We got 10 minutes for 9:30. Let's take a look, right? We got daily has broken the lows, trying to re-break its own low. 4-hour candles have created support right here, right? So we have a 4-hour resistance. You have a 4-hour support. This previous candle closed below that support. We've made a small top wick, but we have broken the low here. And let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. So now we know we have these supports and resistances. Let's mark that up with this white line. Boom, boom. Let's go to the 1-hour. 1-hour, there's a very strong support here, which we did close below with that 4-hour candle. 30-minute as well. There was another support here, but our new support on the 30-minute is right here. So if we can close below that support on the 30-minute time frame here, then the next candle should drive, right? And if it does drive, where can we look to drive to? So you have a high right here. And then you also have more right here. All right, so let's go back. Let's take a look at what that looks like in our ranges. So you have a clean traffic range right here. 43 pips and then another 100 pips. So just new ball game here, right? New ball game. Just pretend the day has just begun. We have a support right here. We have a resistance right here. And we have clean traffic coming down into these areas 43 pips away. And then we have more clean candles below this area for about another 100 pips, right? So whatever has happened so far, don't worry about it. This is current price action, what we have available, right? So if we just came to the charts right now and did our pre-market analysis, this is what we're gonna see. If we do get that close below, price should come down. If we don't, then there is a high chance that price will push up for a bit, right? So the volume will actually move against us or move against sells, come up here, most likely to create a resistance, and then probably look to push back down, right? But if we do get a close below on the 30-minute, then we should see a continued push. So we should see something coming down into these levels here. All right, so that's what we're looking at here. Price on GJ pushed up, never broke the high. Pushing back down here. So I still got sell stops on the break of these lows. It'd be amazing. I think I'm gonna delete these right now and wait for a second close below, because we only got 5 minutes left. So it would be amazing if this candle can close just the way it looks now. We'll have a celery play for 9:30, reset our sell stops at the break of these lows, and look to continue down on GJ to fill this wick, which is 11 pips away, and then down to the support, which is about 31 pips. So I want to see a closure just like this, and I'm willing to wait. I'm willing to miss this move right now in case it drives down right here, right? I'm willing to miss it for what I know works better. So deleted those sell stops, and we'll re-add them at the close of this 30-minute candle, as long as this 30-minute candle can close below this range at 163,580.
Yeah, it's smart.
So let me just let's do that. Possible. If you guys aren't in the free Discord, the link is in the description. So you guys could join the free Discord. You have to be in the free Discord, by the way, if you want to be eligible to win that 20K challenge account. So got to be subbed to the channel, and you got to be in the Discord, and you got to be following me on Instagram. So 3 things that need to be done. Because if you get picked and you're not doing one of those 3, unfortunately, we're just gonna have to pick someone else. All I wanna do, like the stream, lots of free wisdom. Yeah, that would be an hourly salary play, no? No, that would be a 30-minute salary play. Are you talking about GJ, Scott? You waiting for the hour to close? I'm waiting for this 30-minute candle to close in 4 minutes on both pairs. So yeah, my bad. I think I did draw that out on the hourly, but it would be the 30-minute as well. Yeah, nah, that was my bad. I think I was drawing that out on the 1 hour. Yeah, we'll be at 1,000 subs here pretty soon. $9.30 is usually good to us. So stops will be same stops. That'd be the 4-hour high right here. Everything's the same. Same stops, same entry, same partials, same TP. Everything remains the same. We're just waiting for this 30 minute to close because we don't really like to get in a minute or 2 before a candle closes. Let me just set up here on both pairs. Looks like you got this 15-minute celery on gold. $15-minute celery on gold right before 9:30. All right, candle has closed above this range. GJ though, GJ's clean. Gonna activate these, or gonna place these sell stops again for the break of the low here. So re-adding my sell stops back on GJ right here, based off of this 30-minute celery, this 1 hour breakout / 4 hour breakout. You got the NYSE open coming up, should bring some volume. Creating a top wick. Gold 30-minute close right at support here, so $15-minute, yeah, that's tough. Gold closing right there at support, man. That's not a good look. But GJ's pretty clean. Keep an eye on this. Goldie, 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 man. Can we get activated here in GJ? All right, I am in. Gotten a sell here on pound yen. Sell stops have been activated. Stop loss is the previous candle high. TP's down here for 30 pips. And that's going to be the trade. Probably look to go break even right around here. Close partials. Where are you now? And that's the trade. 30-minute celery play. Volume at 9:30. Chance we fill this wick here. Probably close partials there and go risk free. And then hold this down till about 162 here. Discord join, nice. Let's go. Activated, Red FX, perfect. Gold pushing up. GJ should be pushing down. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, gold pretty predictable on that push up. No close below. Broke the 30-minute high now. Did we ever re-break the low? No. Where are you now? All right, chat, I'm going to close partials and move my stops to break even, making this a risk-free trade. Got about 10 pips there, and now let's see if the runner can continue on. Always good to take partials right before the wick fill, because if it doesn't break it, it could reject it. But once this low breaks here, this thing should continue on. But for that reason, I'm risk-free at this point. Closed up some partials, and we'll see if we can get this thing to run. Run, baby, run. Run, run, run. Are you a day trader or a swing trader? I'm a scalp / day trader. So that was my scalp, right? So I closed 80% of my, no, I closed 50% of my position here. And now my intraday trade will be to come on down into these supports areas. So if it can continue down, then that'd be great. If not, I'm risk free at this point. And you know, I already closed partials there. Look at gold, wow. All right, break even got hit right there for me. So I'm out as well. Got about, I think I got like 10 pips on that. No, eight pips. 8 pips on that move, so not too bad. Is it 8? Can't tell. Yeah, I got like 9 pips on that. Got BE, yeah, same. So that's why we close partials, because you never know if this wick, if we're gonna reject it or if we're gonna push through it. So that's why I always like to close partials just a little bit before the wick fill, just in case we don't break that wick. So chances are we could still come down, break the wick here. We never broke the high, so it's still good to come on down. If you haven't closed any partials, this would be something I would probably still hold until we break this high. We're good to go. We had a bearish closure below, bullish closure below, celery play, break of the lows. So let's take a look here at gold. All right, gold is now flipping bearish again. Got this 15-minute celery play coming in as well. But W on that trade.
Good shit. Good shit.
So that was at 9:30, right? 9:30 a.m. That was 04, 06. I gotta change that one above because that was today. Go GJ. Sell. Breakout. Celery. 30-minute. Oh, still pushing. Sweet. Yeah, my entry was a little lower than I expected there. I don't know if it was slippage. I think it did push down pretty heavy when it activated us. I only got 9 there. 9. W. You guys remember what time this this was a late trade, I believe, that day. It's like I'll have to go back on the stream.
Which one? Oh yeah.
The first trade we
It's
took
like
this month,
10:30.
yeah. All right, beautiful. Pound yens continue pushing down. Perfect. Oh damn! Look at gold.
Oh.
Wow. $15-minute celery. Juicer. Well, it's tapping our range here now. Tapping this this area to the left on the 30-minute. That was nice. We came up, made a steeper. Oh no, we didn't. I thought we came up and made a steeper wick there. Did we? Yeah, we did. We came up, we broke the 4-hour high, and then pulled back down. Nice. Beautiful. W, oh nice. Has stream finished? I can't get back in. You're in. Nice trade, Nick. Celery play, yeah. Stream has not ended. We're here. Pretty interesting there on gold, huh? That was nice though that we broke the 15 high to create a steeper top wick, and then re-broke the lows. That was money. This was your move. This was your entry right here, celery play.
Pushing.
40 pips, nice, wow. And that's why I love gold over GJ.
Facts.
Yeah, that was a beauty, man. Damn. Candle closing, no bottom wick here on the 15. Did you get in that, John?
10-5. On what, GJ?
On gold?
Oh, nah.
No. Did you
Nah,
get
it didn't close below for me.
Yeah, same. Other than that 15 celery, but
Else I would have been in that.
yeah. Did you get in GJ?
Yeah, I got B.
All right. close any partials or not?
Nah.
Not a bad idea.
Yeah, I only got eight or 9 pips on that, so I wanted a little more.
Yeah, no,
I was fine with break even.
Perfect. Yep, I knew that we could reject this wick here, so that's why I just took some partials. So, okay, cool. That seller would have a buy stop because it just printed past that bullish candle. Sell stops, yeah, right here. Yep. Once it broke this low, that was the entry. The wick fill was the break even spot, right? That was our nearest vantage point. And like I told you guys, I like to close it a little bit before we fill the wick, just because we don't know if we're gonna break through that wick or if we're gonna reject it. So that's why, you know, I seen about 10 pips and just closed partials there. J. Cole. $464 subs, man. Can we get, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, if you took that W, subscribe to the channel, man. Come see us every day here. We live every day. We're also giving away a free 20K challenge account, so you got to be subscribed to the channel here.
Oh, I'm winning that. That's
Ooh.
mine.
Ooh. Tandy's coming for that dub.
I got spread in 30 pips on goal.
Really?
Yeah, that was a rough one.
Was that at the
But
break of this low here?
Yeah, dude, the 15 just printed.
It pushed.
That shit was freaking crazy.
Shit.
It was nice though.
Nah, that was a
break of
beauty.
210 was money. Like that 1 5-minute candle. Come on.
That was a beauty. That pushed down heavy. I basically looked away and it was at the bottom of the range.
Unless you got in early, bro, you would get spread in, dude. It's just it printed.
Yeah.
The trade was beautiful if anybody took it like at the high and then the flip back down.
Yeah, that was nice.
I took that on the 30 and I added on the way down.
Yeah.
Money.
Break the high, come back down, flip bearish. Nice trade.
Mm-hmm. Momentum.
Should continue down here. 1999, 2000 is going to be your next target here. Cooking. Oh wow, look at that now. GJ flipping bullish. Rejected this wick here. GJ looked way more predictable. Reversed. Gold looked a little bit less predictable and kept moving. So can't make it up. And if you guys didn't close any partials on GJ, don't even worry about it. As long as you went BE, you're good. Because we were only like 10 pips. I think I seen like 11 pips max on that. Yeah, 11. Gold looking good though for a wick fill. Can we pull back on this 1 hour?
Bro, we need to pull back.
We get a 1 hour close below, we're good.
Well, with no bottom wick on the 15, you know.
Is that what happened?
Well, we could get that.
Yeah.
On gold.
Yep, not bad. Yeah, gold's pretty clean. If you could pull back here, 10 a.m. should push us down. Next range based off the 1 hour is down here. We'll see if that lines up with what we were looking at also to the left. Yeah, that's pretty clean. Oh, that's where we rejected too. See the power of looking left? Look where price rejected. Right on the money there. But this is good. We get a nice pullback here. Have a nice wick fill. Yeah, man, this looks clean. Gold pulling back for the 1 hour. After getting a top wick, you should be able to fill the wick again. Man, this 4 hour just right off the rip. You had that one push back up, that was it. If this 15 closes below, even better. We got some news coming in at 10:30 also. Natural gas storage. Yellow folder. GJ's unsure what it wants to do still. Never broke its own high, I don't think. Still good to continue down. Oh, it did break its own high. Our stops were previous candles. So yeah, if you still got the initial stops, unless you get a candle closing above this range, you're still ahead in this trade. Damn, son. Damn. Gold just not having it here today. Like, we couldn't just get this close below. Come on, pal. Come on, gold.
It would be like that.
Sorry, chat. Ain't gonna happen. I ain't gonna break the rules, man.
Hell no.
What kind of leader would I be if I broke the rules?
What about if I insured that?
Oh yeah, if Jay covered the losses and you know, maybe able to swindle something there.
I should have came on and said, I'll cover the losses. John, here's your win on the day.
Yeah, you should have been like,
Happy
yo,
birthday.
this trade's insured. Then that maybe would have triggered me.
The next one, I got you guys. I'm gonna come on the mic and be like, I'm insured if anybody wants it.
Jay's covering all losses.
I cover all the losses. If anybody hasn't heard of what insurance does when you're taking trades, it means the person who caused the insurance, if you take the loss, you pay their loss. So it's technically like a risk-free trade.
He'll cover the losses stream wide. Just send him your trade history.
Send me the Zillow, send me the Cash App or whatever you need. Now don't just take a loss just to take a loss now.
It's got to be insured by him before the trade's taken. I don't think we've ever insured a trade and not won.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. I'll do it next time. We'll insure a trade.
Well, there's 2,000 right there, my friends.
Yep. There's a couple people in the chat that were in the gold sales.
Oh yeah, I know.
Good on them.
Yeah, good work.
Everybody in the Discord who are in the sales from 1995.
I see that. Good shit.
All right. Alrighty, boys. I'm on done out of here.
All right, brother.
Have a great day.
You too,
John,
Jay.
have a great rest of your day, bro. Have a great birthday.
Thank you,
Candy,
brother.
have a great day, my man. I'll see y'all boys tomorrow.
All right, brother. I'll see you later, man. Enjoy the day.
Hey, you too,
Peace.
my man.
Later.
Peace.
One hour candle's about to close. Can we close below? If we close right above this white line, I'm out. No outro, nothing. I'm just shutting the stream down.
I feel like that's how gold's acting today, so don't be surprised when that happens.
For real, dude. Look at this. Look at this. Would you look at it? Oh. We gotta zoom in real close for this one, chat.
Come on, boy. Come on.
Can we get the close below? Come on. Oh, we got the close below. Look at that. The stream resumes. Let's go. All right, so sell stops at the break of this low here for price to continue down and fill the wick. What's the wick fill? The wick fill is about 21, 22 pips. Copy. What's that price? Sell stops. 2,000. All right, I've been activated here.
Yeah, I didn't take this.
All right, honestly gonna move stops to break even here. Gonna make it a risk-free trade right now, and let's see if this thing could run. Quick risk-free here, but I think if we pushing down here, it's gonna go. Close. All right, beautiful. That's about 15 pips. See if we can come on down, get this wick fill, and break that low. Can we get a runner here? Yeah, 18 pips I got on that. Close partials at that low. Come on, re-break this low now. Re-break it. Yeah, that was a quick push, chat. That was quick. And we're so far down, I wanted to make it risk-free at this point. 18 pips is good for me. Laugh my ass. Let's go, Goldie. Drive here. Tandy's walking the dog. There's no reason you should come back up.
Yo, facts, dude. Yo, 1995 should be good.
Facts. Quit playing. Quit playing. I closed half. I still got 5 lots running here, so we'll see what happens. Run, Forrest, run. Ah, screw you. All right, yep, B hit. Break even hit. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, yeah, break even hit. So, not sure if you guys closed partials. I just decided to close half on everything, gold and GJ. So, but yeah, we'll be back at it tomorrow. Today was another day where we had a lot of volume, just not closures we were looking for, right? So when that happens, we just stay out until we see what we know best. So we had a closure below here, gave the attempt, didn't break the wick, pulling back up, but it should continue down. And then GJ was pretty nice onion play here. But yeah, same thing, attempted that celery, closed partials, and yeah, now this thing's pushing back up. So
You got stop the B?
yeah, on gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice onion play here though off the hour on GJ.
Facts.
And let's see, gold gonna come back down or what? Yeah, that was nice. I would have been open to taking that. Yeah, gold
Me
gave
too.
me about.
We were bearish though, like for the day.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, gold gave me about 18 pips, and I just closed half. Should continue down though. We have the closure below. Do-do-do-do. Tap that B. Yeah, no worries, Scott. It was basically a BE day, like just a break even, unless you took these sells from up here, then you were good. But there really wasn't anything allowing us or allowing me to get in at that point. So but yeah, chat, that's gonna be the day here. We'll be back at it tomorrow, same time, same place, 6:30 a.m. Eastern, and NFP, right? So get ready. We got NFP tomorrow. A lot of volume as well. So tomorrow is another day. John, happy birthday. Hope you have a good day, brother. Everyone, like the stream, sub to the channel, and wish John a happy birthday on your way out. And we'll see y'all mañana. All right?
See you, chat.
Love you guys.
Thank you, Scott, again. Thank you, Scott, again.
Yeah. Love y'all. Peace.
All right, y'all. Peace, y'all, chat. Peace.
Peace.
Later,
Peace,
later.
Andy.
Later,
Bye.
boys.
Peace, Nick.
Peace.